Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Brianna. Today we are here with another mug cake video. This time we are making a thin mince mug cake. I am so excited to try this. And before we get into this video, I crocheted my little cat hat. And these are the earrings my friend made me. You can get some if you follow her on Instagram at emo hippie dippy. So let's officially get into this video. First, what you will need is 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And we're going to put this in our microwave safe mug. Next, also with the chocolate chips, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Once that is all microwaved and melted, you then are going to whisk it together with a fork. After that's all mixed together, like the chocolate and the milk, next we're going to add our dry ingredients, and we're now going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, or peppermint extract. There we go. Now we're going to mix all of that together. Next, we are taking 2 Thin Mint cookies, and then we're going to crush them all up together. Wow, just me doing it like this. I didn't realize how crumbly they really are. I haven't had a actual Thin Mint cookie in a while. But yeah, I just crush it up with the end of the knife, the end of a butter knife. Once the Thin Mints are all crushed up, we are going to put them in our microwave safe mug and pour them in and then stir them in. This is what it looks like mixed all together. Next, we are going to pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. This is what it looks like all done. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. It smells really good. So I'm excited to get into this taste test. I am so excited to try this. Wow, it's really soft. That's awesome. That's really good. Oh my gosh, it's very, very fudgy, if you know what I'm saying. And you really do taste the mint. Sorry for my teeth, but I really recommend this recipe. If there's any other recipes you'd like me to try, comment down below. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.